Hello everyone, my name is Anderson, and welcome back to the another lesson video about irregular verbs. Do you guys remember how regular verbs form? Regular verbs, in here right now, follow usual rules. Usual rules for forming its simple past tense and past participle. We see PP as well. So, in other words, the regular verbs changes the form of the verb based on the rules, based on the usual rules. In other words, regular verbs are really kind and like to keep the rules. For those who haven't listened, haven't watched the videos about regular verbs, please go back to the video. Please go back to the website and watch the regular verbs first, and then come back to the regular verbs, and come back to this video. Okay. Very good. But today, irregular. However, irregular verbs don't follow the rules. Irregular verbs don't follow these rules. So, in other words, irregular verbs are really bad and don't like to keep the rules. No. They just irregular verbs do whatever they want, really. In English, we have a lot of lists of irregular verbs. So we cannot cover every irregular verb in English, but I can help you to learn some useful irregular verbs. However, we have some patterns to make it a bit easier to remember and use it in a real situation in your life. So are you ready? Very good. So we have three different time tenses and form. One, base form, and past participle. As I said before, we call this past participle as PP as well. And irregular verbs have these four patterns. So one is A. So A, B, A, B, B, A, B, C. One more time. A, B, C, A, B, B, A, B, C, which means it changes the form of the verb changes irregularly based on these four patterns. So okay, if you don't understand, don't worry, but let's go through the irregular verbs first. Okay, so let's start with the group A B B. So A B B here, A B B, as you guys might have noticed already. So ABB, this means the form of the verb does not change in the past tense and PP. So like this, have, okay. Oh, but it changes into had, but it did not. So it's like ABB. It's like this group, ABB. So example, yesterday is a past. I had a very busy day. So is this person having a very busy day right now? Right now? No. So before the past, I'm sorry about that, before present. So it's the past, yesterday, that's why. So we need to should we need to should we use this one? No, we need to use this one as a past. So yesterday I had a very busy day. Okay, and let's move on to the another example of ABB. So okay, let's make a two groups ABB like this. Okay, the base form is sleep, but it changes into slept. Yeah, but however, past and past participles, they are same. Just slept, slept, slept. Okay. So let's have a look at the example. So the parents slept in my bedroom yesterday. So where can we find the fact that this sentence is past? Okay, this one, yesterday, indicates that this sentence is a past. So the parents slept. So not this one, just slept here, past. Okay, in my bedroom. Very good. So let's move on to the next one. So ABC group is pretty hard for you guys, but don't worry about it. A, B, C group means the form of the verb does change in every time tense. For example, so base form infinitives was break, yeah? But it changes into broke, past. And then as well as past participle, it changes into broken. So it's different group. It's a different word. Oh, sorry about that. So break. So break, broke, broken. Break, broke, broken. Okay. ABC. So this one's pretty hard. So example. So my dog broke my mom's my mom's favorite flower vase. So flower vase is like flower. So water here. So my dog broke my mom's favorite flower vase. This is a flower vase, but last month. So right now, did this dog break the flower vase right now? No, last month. So it's a past. Then we should use broke, not break. Yeah? So broke my mom's favorite flower vase. Okay? Break, broke, broken. So it's all different. Okay. So very good. This one is quite easy. So AAA group. AAA group. What does it mean, teacher? So AAA group means the form of the verb does not change. Like no change. I will no change. No, not changing in every time tense. For example, so base form was put, but the participle was put, and the past participle was put as well. So there's no change in this one. So example, so my mom put the cookie jar on the shelves for us last month. Okay, where can we find the fact that this sentence is a past? Oh, here you go, teacher. Last month. Yeah, last month tells you this sentence is a past. Okay, then which verb that should we use? Anything. Base form, past participle, anything. Put. very well because this one is AAA group. So my mom put the cookie jar on the shelves for us last month. It doesn't change. That's the AAA group. Okay, again, ABC groups means the form of the verb does not change. Does change in every time tense. Does change. Does change in every time tense. So let's have a look at the base form first. Drink. Drink. I drink water. I drink Coke. I drink coffee. Anything I drink. But when you want to talk about the past before, we say drank. Yeah. And past participle was drunk. Yeah. I'll just about past participle tense. I will make a video about PP soon, so don't worry. So drank. So let's have a look at the examples. I drank 2 cups of coffee this afternoon. So that's the tricky part. This afternoon. So this afternoon is like you're in the middle of somewhere. So this afternoon is like this afternoon here. So it tells you I'm in the past. Yeah, I'm in the past. Then which form should we have to use? Base form, past, or past participle? Yes, so drank because it's a past. So drink. I drank 2 cups of coffee this afternoon. Past. Very good. So let's move on. Now is a ABC group. It changes in every time tense. So go, went, and gone. So base form go, went before, gone is like gone here, past participle, past and present like this. So let's have a look at the example. So I went to Japan to see my family 5 years ago. So which word, which thing does tell you that this sentence is past? Here, 5 years ago, this one. This one tells you that I'm past. Okay, so we find out that this sentence is a past. Then which verb should we use to go? Went, gone? No, we need to use went. Okay. Very good. That's why we should use went. Are you in Japan right now? No, you were in Japan 5 years ago to see your family. Okay, very good. Let's move on. So buy, bought. Buy, bought. ABB group. So let's have a look at the example. So my girlfriend bought a watch for me on my last birthday. So last birthday is telling you I'm past. Then the verb should be used as a past form. So I bought. Okay, so let's have a look at the ABB group. So A is buy, but bought is the same. So that's why it's the ABB group. Okay, buy, bought. Buy, bought. Buy, bought. Okay, this one is ABC group. Begin, began, begun. So the movie began 10 minutes ago. Hurry up. Begin. Sorry about that, everyone. Begin, began, begun. The base form changes in every time tense. Begin, began, begun. So, okay, 10 minutes ago, obviously, is a past. So we should use began instead of using begin or begun. Okay? Okay, let's move on. A second. Okay, ABB group. So hold. When it comes to past tense, it changes it to held. However, it doesn't change in the past and past participle. So hold, held, held. So let's look at the example. She held the food for the guests in the wedding last weekend. So she was holding the food for the guests in the wedding. Not right now. So we need to use past. Yeah, we also can find that this sentence is a past from this one, last weekend. So we should use held. Okay? Good, last one. Is ABB as well. Base form, the say in the past to the past tense, it changes into said, but however, from past to past participle, it doesn't change. So say, said, said. Say, said, said. Say, said, said. Okay? So let's look at the example as well. The teacher said that we need to focus and study hard last week. Okay, everyone, focus and study hard. Focus and study hard, okay? Said. Is the teacher saying right now? Is the teacher saying you need to focus and study hard right now? No. The teacher said we need to focus and study hard last week, not right now. So this tells you the past. So according to this time tense, we should use said instead of using say. Said. Said, say, said, said, say, said, said. Okay? Very good. Good job, everyone. Now is the quiz time. Go back to the website and let's solve the quiz together. Okay? Thank you very much and bye-bye.